Cancer drugs that have been used for 2 decades were retooled until they were able to eliminate aggressive tumors in a remarkable clinical trial. 2 of the patients, one with the deadliest form of skin cancer called melanoma, and another with breast cancer, were told their tumors disappeared completely. Scientists at Rockefeller University in New York engineered an upgrade to an antibody that improved a class of drugs called CD40 agonist antibodies, which have struggled to make good on their early promise, but showed great potential. While effectively activating the immune system to kill cancer cells in animal models, the drugs had only limited impact on humans, while also triggering dangerous adverse reactions. So, 5 years ago, the team at the New York University engineered an enhanced CD40 agonist antibody so that it improved its efficiency and limited any serious side effects for mice, with the next steps being a clinical trial with cancer patients. The results from the phase 1 clinical trial of the drug show that 6 out of the 12 cancer patients saw their tumors shrink, including that saw them disappear completely. Seeing these significant shrinkages and even complete remission in such a small subset of patients is quite remarkable, said study first author Dr. Juan Osorio. He said that the effect wasn't limited to tumors that were injected with the drug. Tumors elsewhere in the body either got smaller or were destroyed by the immune cells. This effect, where you inject locally but see a systemic response, that's not something seen very often in any clinical treatment, said Professor Jeffrey Ravitek, who oversaw the study. The research team then changed how they administered the drug. When previously given intravenously, too many non-cancerous cells picked it up, leading to the well-known toxic side effects. They instead injected the drug directly into tumors. When they did that, they saw only mild toxicity, said Professor Ravitek. The new trial included 12 patients who had various types of cancer, and of those 12, 6 experienced systemic tumor reduction, of which 2 had their cancers disappear entirely. The melanoma patient had dozens of metastatic tumors on her leg and foot, and we injected just 1 tumor up on her thigh. After multiple injections of that 1 tumor, all the tumors disappeared, Ravitek said. The same thing happened to the patient with the metastatic breast cancer, who also had tumors in her skin, liver, and lung. Even though we only injected the skin tumor, we saw all the tumors disappear. Tissue samples from the tumor sites revealed the immune activity that the drug stimulated. The drug creates an immune microenvironment within the tumor, and essentially replaces the tumor with these tertiary lymphoid structures, which are associated with improved prognosis and response to immunotherapy. The team also found TLS in the tumors they didn't inject. Once the immune system identifies the cancer cells, immune cells migrate to the non-injected tumor sites, said Dr. Osorio. Nearly 200 people are enrolled in various studies that the researchers hope will explain why some patients respond to the treatment and others do not, and how to potentially change that. If you like more daily doses of positive news, please subscribe to my channel. Please also like and leave a comment, as this really helps the channel grow. Links to the article on this news story can be found in the description of this episode. Thank you for watching.